Okay guys, I'm here to show you how to install some interior signs for caliber collision. Here, this is the box that you're gonna get with the graphics, with the acrylic letters. It's a 3-dimensional sign. So we're gonna open the box. And you have to take these off. Alright. So you take these off. And you have all the letters right here. Now, you can take this pattern, just doing it this way with the green stripes right here. Just like this, just be very careful, because you don't want to break it. Now this is going to be your pattern, and this is the way it's going to work. We're going to move this a little bit this way. We're going to take these balls. We're going to have 2 more right here. This one and this one. These balls, they have different colors, as you can see. We have yellow and red. So this is the way it's going to work. We're going to put the yellow with the yellow. And it's just going to match right here. 60-inch yellow pole. And we're going to have the red with the red. And this red is going to go right here. And it's just going to say also 60-inch pole ruler right here. Okay, so this is the way it's going to work. You're going to have a red on the right and yellow on the left. Your pattern is going to be right here. So, the way this works, you put this right here. And then you do this on this side. Now this says 57 inches. 58, 59, and 60, 57, 58, 59, and 60. That'll make 60 inches all the way to the bottom of the sign. Now you're going to center the sign wherever you're going to put it on. Let's just say I'm going to center right there, okay? The sign is going to hold itself just like that with the poles, but still you can use a little bit of tape right here on these corners if you want to hold it better. Now, right here I have the level. In this case, the floor is completely level. So my level right here is dead center. It's like super center right now. Not all the time you get it that way, so you just have to make sure that this is level. If it's not level, if the floor is not level, you just have to do this. Make it level with this, and just make sure you tape it, the corners, to whatever level it is. Okay, so we're gonna tape the corners. Even though I don't really need to tape the corners right now, I'm gonna tape the corners just to show you how to do it. You remove this piece of tape right here, and then you just do this. And this. Now you got center. Let's say you find your center where you want to put it on your wall. This is your center line. That's your center line right there. And the final layout is going to be right here. So this is going to show you exactly how it needs to be. Alright, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and take all the letters and show you exactly what we're going to do. Now, you're going to start with the bottom, with the letters at the bottom or side, any letters on the sides. So for example, the letters are going to be just like this one. This is the letter. On the back of the letters, they're going to have double-sided tape that you can just remove. The corners are going to be like this, so it's easy to remove. As you can see, it really doesn't take me anything to remove this piece of tape. Oh my gosh, right here. and right here, and right here. So the tape stays like that, and then you just have to tape it to the wall, just like this one. Now we're gonna do the end, and we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Alright, so we're gonna do exactly the same thing with all the letters. You have to make sure the letters are flat on the wall and you press really hard. Even though you're gonna press really hard at the end of the, when you install all the letters. You'll see it in just a minute. You have a right and left sticker right here. It's common sense, but just in case, you can see exactly how it is. As you can see, my tape is already out of the wall right here, but my letters are holding everything in my poles, so that everything pretty much helps. So far, you haven't had the need to use a tape measure because you got pretty much everything on this template to make it happen. Now, if you're gonna put the S, just for example right here, let's say you're gonna put the S right here like this. Does it match? No, it doesn't. So it's only one way, and you can make it fit on this right here. In this case, you don't need this pole anymore because it's making a lot of pressure on it. So you can just remove this if you want to, or just make it fit really tight. It's only gonna fit tight because you can, as you can see, the template is super tight to make all the letters. So you can make it fit a little bit tighter, but just make sure you make it flat with the top one. Alright, once you have your letters right there, let me just move this away for a minute. You just have to do this. Make sure all the letters get in place real good on the wall. Once you do that, you can go ahead and remove these poles if you want to. I'm not going to use this no more. Same thing this one. I'm not going to use this one no more. And then you can remove the whole template if you want to. Now, how do you remove the template? You just have to make sure you do this. Real soft. Don't be hard on it. Just be very gentle with it. That's why there's green things are right here. Alright, this was your template. Now you don't need this no more. Now you have all your letters right there in place. Make sure you glue them all. Make sure they're in place. Because now you have to remove their faces. Now, what are we at right now? We're gonna remove these faces real quick. Just like this. You're gonna remove the corner. And when you do that, make sure your letters in place and you hold it real tight. Just like this. Now in this situation, I have to put a paper on top of this wall so I can reuse my wall and not have this permanent sign. Once you put this sign on any wall, it's most likely going to be there forever, unless you want to remove the whole wall basically and do a new paint job on the wall. The paint will come off because this is a very strong double-sided tape that is going to hold all these letters in this acrylic. Alright, so this is, okay, as you can see, this is how it should finish the job for caliber collision for the interior letters. Really easy installation, less than 15 minutes. Let's say you take 30 minutes, but if it takes you 30 minutes and you follow each step, you'll be just fine. Thank you, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.